Oh.
Oh! Flying in the air, guys.
Well, we're here exploring. We're exploring Mount Taylor, huh?
Yeah.
And how does the forest make you feel, Ralph? Happy?
Oh, watch it!
Wow, Domingo. How does the forest make you feel?
Check this out. I'm happy.
Happy? Why is that?
Mad.
Mad? It's not taking away all of your frustrations from being in school?
Yeah.
It is?
No.
No? What's the best part about being in the forest?
Hit something.
Hit something. Be nice even though that tree is dead.
We're making a video.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Got some more.
You guys are crazy. This is what we deal with. Crazy children.
Got some trees.
See?
And we're in a forest now.
Yes, we're in the forest now. Lots of pine needles.
Let's go right here.
Just experiencing the now.
Let's go in my base now.
Mm-hmm. No anxieties about the future. No depression about the past.
Okay.
Just enjoying this beautiful, beautiful mountain. Volcano, actually. Listening to cicadas in the tree. With these lovely oak tree. I just made one of these card holder for my counselor. Look at this. Wow. Which way should we go?
I think so. Right there.
You lead the way, Ralph.
There's a car.
The car is that way. We'll find it. We won't get lost.
We don't get lost. Look at. Someone just like what? Yeah,
Look at the butterflies over there. Like over there.
Look at what is this?
That is bark.
What is bark?
That's the protection of the tree. It's like the tree's skin. Look at a budike over there. You see it? Where'd it go? Hey, it's visiting you. Told you there's fairies around here. We're looking for dragons and fairies, huh, Ralph?
Yeah, we're going to shoot them.
No, we're going to say thank you.
Thank you for what?
For giving us such a beautiful place to explore.
Let me go on the car. It's so scary. Oh,
Are you really afraid, baby? There's nothing to be afraid of, okay?
Look at, I just ripped this off. We just ripped it off.
Let's say goodbye, Ralph. Wave bye.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, we need to make a big video.
A big video. Let's go this way.
Yeah, come on, guys. Let's go in the other one. Bye-bye. And let's go slow.
Wow.
Look at, guys. I'm going to look for a little.
He's finding his pine coat. They're pokey, you guys. Yes, look at the budike right there.
Oh, there's butterflies.
Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Just wanted to pop on again. Ralph wanted to share his experience and Domingo's getting scared. Yes.
Mother, take a picture of the butterfly?
Yeah, we could take pictures of the butterfly. So Domingo wants to take pictures of butterflies. Hope the guys are being your most authentic selves, living in the now, utilizing all downloads and upgrades in this moment. The event is now, it's nothing in the future, nothing in the past. We must live in our present as we choose to manifest and incorporate these manifestations in this now. You know, so love you guys. See you guys later. Have fun. Peace out.